Hey everyone. Last weekend I attended a track day at Laguna Seca hosted by SpeedSF. It was a fun and eventful day spent with a bunch of Honda S2000 friends. And I say eventful because I ran into some mechanical issues towards the end of the first session. When I was making left turns, I started to notice sounds and vibrations coming from the engine that represented a misfire. Despite all the noise, the car wasn't throwing a check engine light, so I was feeling uncomfortable pretty much all day. It wasn't until after lunch that I started to notice the shifter bouncing around more than usual and came to the realization that there must be an issue with the motor mounts. No, the eBay motor mounts didn't tear apart and they're still doing just fine. What happened is somehow I lost the nut securing the left motor mount to the engine. Luckily, someone I knew had a spare motor mount nut laying around and I got everything sorted out. The highlight of the day was definitely competing in the SpeedSF challenge for the second time. Even with the loose motor mount and worn Hankook RS4s, I was able to put down a 146.54 and place second in S4 class. Here are those laps.
Mm-hmm.